Hi, this is Hart with OCRV in Yorba Linda, California. Here we're looking at a slide out that's been removed from this Tiffin Allegro bus right here behind me. And so this is a common problem, unfortunately, with these RVs. You can see the wood's rotted out. It probably formed a leak inside, or the seal was bad on the slide. Not sure how this occurred, but so now we've got the slide out. We've removed the subfloor, and we can either order these from the factory, which is a real pain and it takes a long time to get, or we can fabricate and build a new one ourselves. But it's a lot of work. You know, you look and see that we've removed the slide out, and you can come over here and look on the side of the coach and see that we've got that covered up so no dirt and stuff gets in there while we're in the process of repairing the slide. And so once we're done with this floor repair and reassemble the slide, then we'll put the slide back in the coach, align it, adjust it, and the customer will be ready to have their coach back. So if you've got any slide out repair, service maintenance, body work, come see us at OCRV Center in Yorba Linda, California.